So I've got three really good, excellent conditioned W810i examples. A couple of them I bought from China. They actually had a sale and I think I got them for £21–22 each. And the third one, which is far left, which is out of sight at the minute, I got for a whole £5 plus £3.50 delivery, and it again is in fantastic condition. So the W810i was released in 2006 Q1, 2G, had GPRS and Edge. The dimensions were 100 by 46 by 19.5 millimeters. It weighed 1 gram shy of 100 grams, and of course took the usual mini SIM. Resolution was 176 by 220. It had the usual wallpapers and screensavers, that sort of thing. It had an internal 20 meg of storage, 2 megapixel camera, LED flash, and it had video capability. It had no LAN, but it did have Bluetooth and infrared and a USB, stereo radio. You could do SMS, MMS, email, internet, instant messaging rather. Had a web browser, Java. Standby time was 350 hours and 8 hours call time. So I had pretty much everything going on there. We've got motorbikes in the background, 50 mile an hour winds pretty much taking the roof off the house, so apologies for that. Cost of living, £123,000 for the average UK house, £21,000 for the average salary. Price of the average car was just over £15,000. The price of fuel was 89 pence, which is £1.20 in today's money. And the average grocery shop was £10.95. So making it big in the news of the day, ironically, Google purchased YouTube for $1.6 billion. Mumbai train bombings, 209 dead. This was the year also that Pluto was downgraded from a planet to a dwarf planet. Anyone watched that Borat film? That was released in 2006 also. And it was the year that the Iraqi dictator Saddam Hussein was executed. Italian fans would remember fondly 2006. It was the year they won the World Cup in Germany. And bird flu was discovered in Scotland. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you want to see some more, and thanks for watching.